when it comes to repackaging and repurposing PLR products to make it unique, the first thing you should consider is to change the product name. Now, this might appear really straightforward and easy, but it is not always the case, because for you to change the product name, you need to consider a very sellable and catchy product name, and this is oftentimes a problem for many. We are not going to, this section is going to be very short. Now, you can actually brainstorm a product name related to the PLR you bought. Now, if you are having issues or challenges with getting a good product name, you could actually go to, there are many free resources online that could help you with brainstorming a product name, and one of them is shopify.com. so let's go over to Shopify. Shopify.com. Now, what you would want to look at, so Shopify has some really cool tools. So once you go over to Shopify, you come down here where you have free tools, you click on it, then scroll down and you see a whole bundle of tools for different purposes. And so we are not going to, the one that is of interest to us right now is a business name, the business name generator. So just click on it, and let me show you how you can actually use this tool. Now, let's take for instance, when I was creating this particular course, I had several names in mind. For instance, I had a choice of PLR Ecom Blueprints, PLR Ecom Mastery, PLR Ecom Reinforce, PLR Ecom Raindrop. So a whole lot of name that I could have used for this product before I settled for the PLR Ecom Mastery training program. Now, let's say I want to get a name for this particular course you are already now going through. Now, I'll just type in PLR Income Blueprints. Let's say this is a PLR product, PLR Income Blueprints, and we want to change the name by brainstorming, because we don't really know what we want to call the product. We could just type in that particular product name or a synonym and click on it. So you see, this is the original one, PLR Income Blueprints. Then we have all these: PLR Income Blueprint Forum, Prospects, PLR, Clearview, PLR, Bad Boy, Competitive, PLR Income. So now this gives you a whole lot of idea. So from this you could actually brainstorm, or if it were something like PLR Income and you just click on generate name, you just click on generate name and you see PLR Income Blueprints after TKST, PLR Income. So you get the idea generally. So it just helps you with brainstorming. So that's it for changing the product name. And this is not a perfect tool in itself. It's just to help you with brainstorming. Then you now come up from what you pick from here on here. You can now come up with something really cool and perfect that really sells and showcases what you are selling. Changing the name is very important, and I really advise you do that. And with that, we'll come to the end of this particular section, and when we come back, we are going to look at changing the graphic content, which is also very important. Thank you and God bless. See you in the next tutorial.